Did you know that if you conquer anger, you will release the bigger and better you? You see, conquering anger unleashes inner calm, fostering healthier relationships and personal growth. In the beautiful words of Max Lucado, he said, "Anger is the noise of the soul, the unseen irritant of the heart." The Bible teaches, my dear brothers and sisters, take note of this. Everyone should be quick to listen, slow to speak, and slow to become angry. James 1:19. Remember this winning tip. When anger surges, pause and take a deep breath before responding. Yes. Remember to subscribe or follow for more empowerment and keep advancing. God bless you.